So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to take note of your network adapter name. So my one's called Intel R Pro. So now once you take note of the name, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you want to find that same network adapter name. So Intel R Pro for me. So once you find your network adapter, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. And now you want to head back into this window, you want to click on your network adapter once, and then you want to click on diagnose this connection. And now if any problems come up, then it will fix it for you. And now for the second step, you want to close out of this, and you want to head back into view network connections again. You want to right click on your network adapter, and then click on properties, and then you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4. You want to make sure that you have all of this set correctly. Now if you don't understand any of this, I recommend just going with obtain the IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. But if you know what you're doing, then you can just fill in your IP and your DNS server address. But for most people, I recommend just keeping it on this one, obtain the IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically as well. And then click on OK. And now your network adapter should be working. But if it's still not working, for the second method, first you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And then once you do that, now we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And now you want to click on reset now. And then click on yes. Now once you do that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.